Hi, my name is Justin Ferrara. I'd like to welcome you to the Wounded Warrior event that we're hosting at Hair Machine today in Rockville Center. We have hairdressers from all over the island that are educators and very talented hairdressers that are going to be doing hair for the family of Wounded Warriors. It's a charity that takes place in Long Beach, run by Jerry Snell. And so he brings in families and shows them a good time for the weekend. We do their hair, make them feel special. We did this last year, we did it again, and we'd love to do it every time in the future. It's just a great charity, and it makes everyone feel fantastic, and we're glad to be part of it.
I just wanted to say thank you to the Waterfront Warriors of Long Beach City for the opportunity to come here today and having the ability to feel beautiful inside and out. Thank you.
And thank you for giving me the ability to come and do that.
I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much.
I think this foundation is amazing, and I think all the people involved are just so wonderful. And I thank you guys for being here.
This is my first actual event with the Waterfront Long Beach Warriors, and it was fantastic. What an honor to have the city come out and with a lot of trying times going on in our society, to remember that we're in the greatest place in the United States of America. And what an honor it is to see the American public to still honor those who serve them. And I'm proud to continue and serve the community. And I'm very grateful for the firefighters and the first responders as well in the community who've come out to support us. And thank you very much for everything. It means so much with not enough words to express on how this makes someone feel.
Spell your names? Do you know how to spell your names?
S-A-R-I-S-S-A. It's excellent.
Well, I took the opportunity to come back, invited by Long Beach Waterfront Warriors this year, and I thought it would be wonderful to share this experience with the rest of my family. And this being our second day out here, they're ready to come back again next year. I have not surfed yet. Now I'm going to let the kids have that opportunity, and we'll see if I get up out there here shortly.
So far, it's probably been one of the best experiences I've ever had. Coming out and being able to watch the kids just relax and play and be kids again, because they've lived in a hospital forever, so it's amazing. We did go to the barbecue and they had a blast playing on the bouncy house and making crafts and talking to everybody and playing.
Have you and Mark and your kids, or with or without your kids, been to New York before?
I've been in New York. My husband and I have been one time. We did the Tunnels to Tower race shortly after he was injured, and that was a humbling experience. It's like home here, like it's so homey. Everybody's so sweet. It's overwhelming at times. I'm originally from Florida, but we live in Virginia. We have a small farm. Now that he's medically retired, he started agrotherapy as one of our therapies, and he fell in love with farming. So we have a small farm in Virginia. We grow poultry. So we grow out birds, and then we do eggs. And then we have gardens for us and stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm a part of Surf for All. I love to help out and take the fellow surfing, take the warrior surfing. Anybody who's ready, wants to go surfing, come down to the Scoot and Surf Camp and look us up. Today we've been taking some of the Wounded Warriors surfing, and for me this is inspiring. I've never been a part of this or never seen nothing like it, so it's a little emotional, but for the most part it's a lot of fun and it's inspiring. It's great to see all these warriors down here and coming down to get some waves and have fun. It's cool to show them surfing.